So I wanted to share a simple activity that we can do to establish the absolute absence of separation between consciousness, ourself, and what we are conscious of. And that is to try to point to something separate from ourself. And understand that if we are to point at something seemingly separate from ourselves, if we are claiming that this thing is separate from ourselves, the very pointing which connects consciousness, the body, the finger, and the thing all in one experience only confirms a unity of consciousness, the body, and what form is being experienced. For example, the image on this screen. If we point to the image on this screen, it is evident that there is a connection between consciousness, the body, the arm, and the image. We could not point to it if it were really separate from consciousness and the body. For the arm to move and to point towards, and for us to experience consciousness, the arm, and the landscape simultaneously, is to experience an absolute connectivity. To experience an absolute connectivity, not to intellectualize a connectivity, to actually experience that consciousness is conscious of the whole sensory apparatus of the body, all the sensations of the body, the perception of the hand, and the perception of the landscape. There is a unity present. So we could flip this question on its head and understand that whatever we point to is one with ourself. We would not be able to point to something that was separate from ourself. So to point is to confirm this is myself, this is myself, this is myself, this is myself, this is myself. This is a tantric way of feeling in an embodied experience that the body is made of the same substance as the landscape. Whatever the body points to, it is one with what it points to, substantially and experientially. And we can point to sounds. We can visualize a pointing arm that points to a sound. We're listening to music, we can visually point to the music and feel that the thought of a visualized hand pointing to the music is experienced simultaneously with the music, and so is connected, is one. So have a play.